Hi, now we are talking about responsive. First, we take this section, okay, and you will see what I mean by responsive. Just make diff, then A, for example, you name it whatever you want. If I want to make more than one diff in the same time without repeating, writing and so on and so forth, just make dollar sign, for example, $1 or $2, okay, then multiple, for example, I need three boxes, 3 diffs, okay, just look what will happen now. Now we have a class with A01 because I did $2 signs, okay. If I want to make it, for example, diff, for example, A and just $1 sign, multiple, for example, 3, okay, and here we have just one number, okay, just one number, but here we have 2 numbers because we have make two dollar signs, okay. Now just let us get rid of this, and to make paragraph P, then long, this is the automatic text, copy it and paste it in the next diff and in the third diff, save it, okay. Here we have 3 text, okay, 3 text. Now I want to make like responsive, just to make one beside the other. Go to diff, to CSS file, and presses width, let us take it for example 3 or 200 pixel, and height 200 pixel, save it, okay. It is like in one column, but I want them in one row. So what should I do now? Make display not black, just inline black, okay. Save it. Now they are beside each other. Make background color, for example this color, okay. Now we have a 3 diff beside each other, but here we have problem, like you see there's no space between the diff and the text. What should we do here? Just write first margin, let us make it 10 pixel, save it. You see here we have margin in each side, okay. We make now padding, make it for example 8 pixel, okay. And you see here we have space in between, okay, as you can see here, space in between. So now if you go and click to right click and inspect, here you can see, okay. Let us take the first one, where is it, section, and this diff, okay. Go here and you will see what I mean by margin and diff, okay. Here is our text, okay, as you can see here is our text, you see. Now here we have the padding, inside the diff we have space, then we have here margin, okay, in each side we have margin, here padding, okay. So just to work with it, for example, if I want to make it, sorry, here the margin, just make it bigger and bigger, as you can see, okay. You are playing here, just like this, okay. And the padding, as you can see here, the padding is going to be bigger and bigger, as you can see. So now let us refresh it. If you want to see how it will looks like your page in your phone, for example, here go to the top left here, and here you can see the responsive dimensions, okay. For example, if I want to go mobile S, like 320 pixel, how it will looks like, okay. Smaller, it will be like this, okay. The diffs go one after the other. So now there's something important here, multiple sign in your CSS, and presses, then margin, make it 0, okay. Then save your project and you will see what I mean by that, okay. For example, let us take it further. For now, save it. You see here we have space, maybe I make with color, it will be better. Background color red, Okay, as you can see here, now we have here like a space in between the page, as you can see here, between the page and the edge of the page. So if I now write margin 0, save it, you see, now we don't have a space in between. So everything is alright. So you have no space in between. For now, thank you, and I will see you in the next video.